WhatsApp.
Because that's the number we know, and we know what to do. Is there compliance or not?
What is it? What is that?
He was not aware.
Atukole bwetu tuba tunayagala okufuna ekitamu saba tuddeko wali saba block is already blocked from the user. Who has blocked? It is this gate which is blocked. Yeah, you see, look behind us. The gate which is blocking and you have motorcycle. Okay. So can we maybe go back on the drawing board and we do this better? If it is 5 people, let us have 5 people.
We could do 10.
Not thousands of people.
No, this is not thousands, officer.
Look behind, look at the queue.
No, but this can't be.
Up to the road. Not be human beings. You see? Talk about so we can go back and sit and we design it, then we can.
Officer,
what are we designing now? You know how to design in your police work. We know what we are doing because so this is not police. Just leave the number which you agree on and we get in. Don't just give semantics.
So let us have the road cleared first, then we can handle it.
They want to open the gate and the cars enter.
We'll go back because each vehicle has a driver.
First of all.
Yeah, we are listening to you, sir.
Oh my God.
Which office?
Which office now?
RDC. So now, no, RDC is part of this committee.
Sure.
RDC. Do you know the RDC?
He would be here. Let me talk to him and see. He would be here. And we have already informed him. I have just been informed by a well-wisher that there is a team.
Well-wisher? So you act on well-wisher than dealing with government officials? You people, stop.
Officer, no, Chairman.
Officer, just permit us.
Then these ones will turn and will clear the road.
Let them first clear the road.
We can't turn from here.
That one is practical.
Start from behind. You start from behind, clearing the road.
So the problem now of us not entering is to clear the road.
So Mr. Wanika, what are you trying to drive at?
I'm driving at that you are being, you are being used to do an anomaly.
Being used
by those people whom we perceive to be rich.
Yes, come because RDC mentioned.
And you think we are all mad?
We are not here to argue.
Hey, what are you trying to say?
Okay, you argue. If you want to
I can't argue with you because even tomorrow you can lose your job, I'm telling you.
There is no problem.
Not even tomorrow, today. Hello. Gurwachi mutuyungulira abana abantu abatali professional.
Officer, we are kindly requesting. We get one vehicle.
So come on. Kati kyenkusaba yogera no.
Then we have known who is to enter and who is not to enter. Kuba masimu okubirono okubironi. Mwerondemu abantu batono.
Otugulirewo tuyingire.
Tutuule tukirize kyemuze okukola tulabe engeri gye tukikolamu naye okuba amasimu ne boonaakulira Katonda musaawa eno ayinza obutayamba mulondemu abantu 5 mukiryalinga oluguudo
ogaire wetukubira Katonda
okiraba
ng'oyiseewo toyogera bigambo naawe bijja kuswaza olina amayinja 3 just asebo owobitaddemu Katonda ate osuseewo
Yesterday, the same group came.
The same group came. So what they have agreed that on Thursday.
Which group?
Also, I think these people from local government, they also came yesterday here. And they agreed with them. They made the appointment that we come and meet them on Thursday.
Can we see your visitors book and we see the officers who came in here yesterday? Can I have a look at your visitors book? I want to know the officers from NEMA or from the district who came in here yesterday and where you agreed with them that they come back on Thursday. Kindly, please.
DPC and Tebe.
DPC and Tebe. Yes, Madam Irene, DPC and Tebe.
How can the DPC deploy?
Madam, there is no problem. I am the District Natural Resources Officer at Wakiso District. And by the National Environment Act, we have a District Environment and Natural Resources Committee which has a mandate to guide, supervise, monitor and check activities that go on in the district regarding the natural resources and the environment sector. As a committee, we are supposed to monitor depending on the different messages, reports and requests we have from the public. So today we agreed as a committee that we monitor, and we decided to start from here, take a route from Namulanda, Mpala, Chengera, Kajansi area up to Wakiso. So we have started here to check on the transactions because they are supposed to comply with certain instructions, and we are here just to check. There is no problem, madam. RDC yes. Yes, we are on job, and I've asked the RDC, who is part and parcel of this committee, and she is the one who gave us this day of the 18th. And she, yes, so I work. So the community is also aware. They report to us, and the committee has come up with them. These are the committee members who come, and when we see us and the community also follows, they will stop here and we shall enter and see what is going on. So, come again. Yeah. In this era of COVID, madam, this is not a village here. Yes, I know, madam, it's COVID, but we are all masked. Because the other one is a UP. This is a UP. I don't know who is for us. For us, we are telling him why we are here. We have introduced ourselves. Ati pichi ku gate. Nekirabika nti tayagala kiyingire, but we are asking the people to let us in. So I needed to update you on what is going on right now. Pande tayagala kugera na pene aba security boga badde kopanti bagambe bakubira baya management to see if we can be let in. Nembagamba we are not using force. We are not using force. We are waiting for them to consult management. But I needed you to know that a police officer has come and put a motorbike UP7992. It is. So when you also come, I want to know, are you also tickering it? Or
no, it is in our area.
Okay.
For us, even if in Kauku, you go and have places within our area. It is in our jurisdiction. We have to be on the ground.
So do you know the other officer?
Yes.
You know him? Yes. So can you communicate to him? So for us, you're asking access to do our local inspect. We see and we go away.
The manager are aware.
As for the act as an inspector, even
You're
if
not
you're
supposed to inform the management.
I come to check, and the act tells me I can enter.
What I want to know is, Is the management supposed to be informed or not?
We are here and we've asked them to inform them.
I think you're already doing your work, but they were not informed before.
Security, have we got an answer from management?